What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from a brand new park today, Wild Adventures. Yeah, new park for us. We're gonna go inside, do a full park tour and review. Let's go. Yeah, we got a spooky parade with skeletons, sound speakers, everything else that. It's lit! It's lit! Couple daytime haunts here. We have Vortex, which I assume is going to be a spinning tunnel. And sure enough, spinning tunnel. Scary. That was too intense. Here we can see some decorations out during the daytime for their haunted adventures here. Throughout the park, there's some boards here that show the different show times for the animals. There's giraffes, bears, monkeys, gators, and the likes. For the little ones, we do have something here called the Boo Crawl, which is basically the kids' play area, just decorated a little bit. And you see the sign right there, showing the entrance. The sun is starting to set, the lights are coming on along with the fog, and we are only about an hour away from our very first haunted houses. Our very first haunted attraction of the night is going to be Camp Hackaway. Let's check it out. Alrighty guys, so our first house of the night is done, Camp Hackaway, and scale of 1 to 10 for that one, I give that maybe an 8 to an 8.5. Beautiful maze, love that it's outdoors, very, very dark, lots of fog in many places. Only negative, not many scare actors, but overall, still a great house, and we're on our way to the next one. And the next haunted house is over here in Splash Island, which is the water park, and it's called Infested. Check out that lazy river. Nice view, but we're now heading into the house. All right, so this is one of the coolest things. We're walking in the lazy river right now for this haunted house. Alrighty guys, so we just got out of Infested, and in my honest opinion, it was a wonderful house. Really kind of neat because you walk into the wave pool and you walk into the lazy river. Just again, not a lot of scare actors. There were more scare actors at the exit than there were in the entire house. Scale of 1 to 10, I would still give it maybe an 8 to an 8.5. Decent attraction though. House number 3 is going to be Apocalypse. Well, we just did Apocalypse, and in my honest opinion, that had the most scare actors out of any other haunted attraction. Tons of them, everywhere, every single room, but it lacked the scares. Scale of 1 to 10 though, I would give this an 8 to an 8.5. Decent attraction, and we have another house. Let's go. Time for a scare zone. And this is on the way towards, of course, Cheetah and the SLC. So we have some gravestones, lighting, fog, a couple scare actors here and there. Only thing I can say is I wish there was more fog. And that was kind of short, but overall, it's a scare zone. Clown Chaos, another haunted attraction, and here we go. Is all done. Clown Chaos, and I honestly thought it was a good one. Lots of scare actors in there. I just really didn't feel the theming though. I don't know, there was a lot of going back and forth, a lot of chain link fences. Scale of 1 to 10, I would give this one maybe an 8 to an 8.5. You gotta figure, for all these houses, you're not paying anything to go in them. So that is an advantage. overall, I'd say all the ones that we've done, I'd give it maybe an 8 to an 8.5. The Halloween event is a lot of fun, just lacks a couple scare actors here and there. But overall, still a good thing to come and try. Here's yet another haunted attraction. We have Alien Invasion. Well guys, that is going to do it for our full tour and review here from Wild Adventures. I had a blast. My first time ever here. Overall, Terror in the Woods, their Halloween event was fantastic. I would give it maybe an 8 to an 8.5. Keep in mind, you're not paying anything for it, so that is a very good plus. But again, we're going to have more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.